This is the final update on the King Quad project. It is mostly complete. As you can see, it's all back together. The engine's back in it. I think it turned out really good. Remember, this is a 1993 King Quad, and it was not treated kindly when I got it. So I replaced the engine. I did quite a bit of cosmetic work on it as well. Painted what I could paint and just gave it a pretty good cleanup. I think, as you can see, it's got 1,700 miles on it. 1,794 to be exact. I did put a hand shifter on it for Moose. I don't really know how I feel about it. It's a little bit awkward, but I gotta be honest, shifting that shifter with my foot is really uncomfortable. I mean, I can do it, but it's just not comfortable. So I'm gonna try out that hand shifter for a while and just see how it goes. But yeah, this is the final update. I think the only thing left to do on this is put some decent tires on it, but it turned out well. It was a good, successful project. As you can see, I did bedline all the racks. I bedlined, quite a bit of the bracketry underneath the King Quad. Where you put your feet. The front rack has been bedlined. I cleaned up and bedlined all of the belly pans and guards underneath. I basically went through this entire thing. This was a fun little project, and I had a lot of fun doing it, but I'm just surprised at how time consuming it really was. But it was successful, so it runs good. I've done some testing on it. So far, so good. Well, let me know if you have any questions. You can leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.